How to renew Australian passport online. The first things first is to use any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, just simply head straight into the Australian Embassy or passport.gov.au. In here, you just have to locate on services for you to be able to have or to get the form that needs to be filled out. Now, once you're here, just have to complete your renewal application form by online by clicking on this link right here once you're currently under the Australian Embassy Services. Now make sure that you have all necessary requirements such as your proof of identity and especially your expired passport. Next thing to do is just to head straight and book an appointment. So this is the only site that you can see on what specific dates are going to be available and as well as their pricing. Now just head straight into passport services and choose your preferred option if this is for passport applications for your family or for yourself only. And that's it. That is how you renew your Australian passport online.